What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Random. And today I'm going to be doing a little experiment. You see, it's my day off from work. I'm bored as hell, and I thought to myself, how can I possibly make my 2011 Mustang GT California Special louder than it already is? And this actually might surprise a couple of you, actually, or not. But it wasn't actually until today. I've had this car for quite a while. It wasn't until today that I actually decided to go under the car and see what kind of exhaust it already has, and lo and behold, there it is. You guys are looking at Flowmaster 10s. It's not a bad exhaust setup that the car has, and it actually does have a pretty damn cool exhaust note, but that's not loud enough for me. So I'm gonna introduce to you guys one of my favorite tools of the trade right here. If you guys aren't familiar with my channel and loud exhaust, let me give you guys a quick little recap. Here we go.
I'm actually going to show you guys how to make your Crown Vic sound loud as fuck. And here's the best part though. Here is the best part. It's going to be absolutely free.
So this bad boy is getting jacked up. We're gonna go ahead and cut off the already pretty damn loud Flowmaster 10s, and we're gonna see just how loud we can make this this old S197. Let's go. All right, so my son's gonna help me record. So pardon if it's shaky as hell. He's not that experienced recording, but the dog's gonna help too. Nicholas, you gonna help too? All right, well, let's get this thing started, man. Let's cut this bad boy up.
So where they could actually see and it won't fall, so it won't bounce and fall on me.
Alright guys, so we're pretty much done. Essentially what I did here was just a 10-minute free muffler delete. Hell, I'll take it. There they are, Flowmaster 10s. These little bad boys, I mean, they're not that big, man. So the question is though, would it be louder? Is it going to be louder? Well, let's go ahead and do a little before and after. I'm going to show you guys what it sounded like before I removed the Flowmaster 10s. And after, we'll do a couple drive-bys and all that good stuff, man. And I'll be right back. Here we go. Two more. I don't know about you guys, but that thing, holy cow, let the camera focus. That thing is loud. Oh my god, that thing is loud. Alright, let's go ahead and take it for a spin and actually hear it, like as it passes by the street. You guys judge for yourself. Here we go.